Welcome to Elimu Genius TV. This is your #1 online class for competency-based curriculum lessons. Become a genius today. In this video, we are going to show you simple steps for making a homemade sun dryer. You can use it at home to dry fruits and vegetables, preserve food, and reduce waste. To begin, gather timber, nails, wire mesh, a clear cover, hinges, black paint, a hammer, and a saw. Remember, you can use any other suitable materials that are locally available in your area. Step 2. Build the frame. Start by building the frame. Join the pieces of timber to make a strong wooden box frame. This frame will hold the drying chamber, trays, and cover. Make sure it is firm because a strong frame helps the sun dryer last longer and work well. Step 3. Add legs and chamber. Fix 4 legs to raise the sun dryer above the ground. This keeps the drying chamber cleaner and safer from dust, water, and small animals. The wooden box forms the drying chamber, where the fruits or vegetables will be placed for drying. Step 4. Make the mesh trays. Fit wire mesh onto the wooden tray frames. The openings should be small enough to hold the food, but open enough to allow air to pass through for ventilation. Good airflow helps the produce dry evenly. Step 5. Paint the inside of the drying chamber black. The black color helps absorb more heat from the sun. This makes the air inside the sun dryer warmer and helps the sliced fruits or vegetables dry faster. If you do not have black paint, line the chamber with a black polythene paper. Step 6. Make the air holes. Make ventilation holes on the sides of the sun dryer. These holes allow fresh air to enter and warm, moist air to escape the drying chamber. Without good airflow, the food may take longer to dry or may spoil. Step 7. Fix the clear cover. Fix the clear cover on top of the sun dryer. You may use clear polythene, acrylic sheet, or glass. The transparent cover allows sunlight to enter, traps heat inside, and protects the food from dust, insects, and other contaminants. Step 8. Use the homemade sun dryer to preserve food. Arrange the sliced fruits or vegetables on the trays in a single layer. Place the dryer in a sunny spot and close the cover. Congratulations! You have made a homemade sun dryer. Use it to preserve food, reduce waste, and save money at home.